Oh shit, oh shit. God damn it. Stay. What it do, crew? Alright, so we have a big car show to go to today. It's early in the morning. I'm waiting for my boy to pick me up right now. And then head over to Oscar where we host our meets, and we're all gonna mob down to Arlington for the big show. So obviously he is not here right now. So my man says 7:30. Where you at, Connor? Let's see. It's 7:33, my dude. Where you at? What it do? Still waiting on Connor. Supposed to be here at 7:30. 7:46. Supposed to be in Arlington by 10 o'clock. We're good though. So that's like an hour drive. I'll probably be at the shop at like 8:10 or something. And we'll all head down there to Arlington. We'll get some roller shots of the boys. And I want a behind the scene of me getting a video with the roller shots for the boys and with the boys. That's what we're gonna do. Connor's got the tent. He's got the table. Yeah. I'm excited though. It'll be a dope ass vlog today. Stay tuned, you better watch right through this shit. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm trying to get more videos out. Oh, yeah. Plus, my boy's letting me use his gimbal today, so I gotta practice with the gimbal and try to get some cinematic shots with some cars. If you like that shit, subscribe. Let's be more of this shit. Let's get it. So, daddy, boy.
Been making this into a whole ass vlog.
Yeah. Oh! 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 That's my dude! Woo! What's up, homeboy? What's up, G?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Oh, look at that hood! Oh, shit, hold up! Exclusive! Exclusive! What's up, dog? What's up? Ah!
Dude, it took a whole month.
Yo. God damn, what the fuck? That bitch got like 8 times louder, bro. What the fuck? Grandma got ran over by Emmanuel.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Put the car next to me so we can take pictures.
You ain't got parked next to Billy, dog? What's up, man?
I didn't know where Billy was.
He's right beside the truck.
Oh, yeah, and he's like, I need to take a shit. I was like, way ahead of you. I'm shitting right now.
There's no back wheel, no back tire, nothing on that. There's no.
What's up, Poppy?
What's up, baby? I should have worn this one. They were like, well, the engine.
Really?
Like,
The lights not.
You're thick, Joe.
all I'm wearing right now is those jeans.
I'll just go ahead and mob on the way there. We don't have to hold speed anymore.
Yeah, give some space so we can do rollers.
Yeah, give some space so we can do some rollers.
Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Okie dokie, I'll keep it low key like Thor, lil' bro, or he'll go blow the loudie. Saudi of sour Saudi, Wiley up off peyote, wildin' like that coyote. If I sip any, my belly just might be Audi. Pull up inside a Huggy, start skiing Hutch a Dougie. I just opened up the pack in an hour, I'll ask my lucky. Tonight she just yelling, fuck me. 2 weeks she'll be.
A wind in the face doesn't feel good. My eyeballs are about to pop out of my head, man.
Not that torque feel though.
Oh, it feels so good. This car's so nice. It pulls so nice.
Yelling, fuck me. Used to like orange cassette tapes with Timmy, Tommy, and Chuck E. Cheese's pieces, Jesus pieces, sing Jesus love me. Put Visine inside my eyes so my grandma would fucking hug me. Your generation above me, I know you still remember me. My afro look just like that is. Y'all taught me how to go hunting. Blam! Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Cigarettes on cigarettes, my mama think I stink. I got burn holes in my hoodies, all my homies think it's stink. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I miss my cocoa butter kisses. I will smoke a little something, but I don't inhale. Everywhere that I go, everywhere they be asking how's it going, instead of go ins. Well, go figure, Victor's light skin. Jesus got me feeling like Cole and Pell. All praise to the guy, God knows he's a pro.
Whoa.
Hey, put all the toys over here.
Yeah. Well, on the table or?
The bear's holding them. The bear's holding the toys.
Interview. It's an interview, dog. What you think? What's on your mind?
Excited.
Excited, bro?
You gotta see what's coming.
It's pretty exciting. You got the cleanest car out here, dog. Too bad you got a boosted one and it's blown up.
Not wrong though.
Not wrong though. This is called interview with my crew members. My boy Joe. Hey, what you think about today, dog?
What's up, baby, man? Today's gonna be a great day, man.
Today's gonna be a great
The weather
day.
is awesome, and the cars are better. Like, fuck
Hell
it.
yeah. I'm excited, bro.
I'm super
This
excited.
is big
dog.
for us, man. This is big for
This
us.
is the biggest meet we've ever been to.
I know,
As
man.
a crew.
As a crew, and we were invited to it.
Exactly.
This is exciting.
We gotta set up like this at the fucking Sunday vacation.
Hell yeah. Interview with my co-leader right here, dog. What you think about all that? It's big for us. It's big for us, bro. It's small. It's big for us. What's up, girl?
What's up?
Hey. You know I'm recording, right? Yeah. Look at that, bro. Yo.
How does that? That's what two steps sounds like. How does it sound stop? What?
Oh, my man, two-stepping out here, bro.
How do you do it? Hey, where's the flame? Where's the fire?
Officially rolling out.
tail starts
No.
floor, and he's just not moving at all.
We got everybody in here, bro.
Revving at us, and I felt his exhaust through my car. Yeah.
We taking over the spot.
He didn't have exhaust.
Somebody friendship test, bro. Somebody need a friendship test here, yeah.
He's a new member. He has to get the friendship test.
Yo, get it.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Bro, you gotta pick that shit up, bro. Come on. What happened, man? You ducked that one.
Damn.
Don't dodge it, ram it.
Heart attack.
Yo, somebody save my man.
I pull that crown up out of that purple bag. Polar boots with my shirt to match. Pippin' them in, I'ma see further back. Hit the gas in my third and smash up 85 north, we turning heads. Star status, arm tatted. Out the window, dudes looking hard at us. Cause the girlfriend wanna jump in, they don't wanna fuck me. Man, these hoes got a car fetish, but let's roll, 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 roll. Hit the pedal and let's ride. So much smoke pouring out the window, looking like the leather's on fire. When I be driving in